Hello, what's going on, Noel and Danielle? So this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, take a look at the back end, and see if there's anything we can do to help you guys out. So right off the bat, I like your logo. Typically, here's what I'm going to say. Left-hand side over here, home project contacts up a bit, and then in the center or toward the right with your number right over here. Very important for ease of access. You want people to see who you are, click on the call button, and just simply call you. The website is just a tool to get your phone ringing. That's it. So we got to utilize it. So as you scroll down, projects are great. I don't see service page, which will have, typically what it is that you guys do. But Central Florida painting services and more, excellent. Santellis painting, family owned, call now, excellent. Featured projects, interior, exterior cabinet. So this is telling you what it is before and after, excellent. But it's not talking about it, and then our clients, and then we're done with the page. So you do have a form submit thing, which is name, email, number, zip code, and a short message. It might be better to have a radio box in there that just talks about, like says, hey, I'm painter, or whatever other services you do, and then submit it just so you understand what it is they're looking for. And then obviously a little bit of a map here. I see you are close to Orlando, so that's kind of what I'm going to compare you to. But let's take a look at the back end over here. But before I go, Google is looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone. It's very important you do have that, and we talk a lot about what your projects, not projects, what your services actually are. That's going to be big. That's key. Now, let's take a look at the back and see what's going on. So not really much over here, so I don't know if I want to explain this here, but let's take a look at something else. So I'm going to explain this for a quick second. Organic keywords. So this is basically what people will put into Google to help find what they're looking for. So when somebody puts something like this, like painters, which is what they're searching for, in where, which is Orlando, you get yourself something called a buyer intent keyword. Now, that's what we really want. These are the people who are searching for a specific thing in a specific location to get a desired result. So they're ready. But right when we put that in, we got all of these ads, pay for ads, which are really good. They help you out get those quick results if you do it correctly. We also then have your your GMB or Google My Business profile pages over here. Very important to get in here as well, because about 30 to 40% of all people searching for anything will click on one of these guys. So you definitely want to be one of those 3 people. Then over here, we got your first big competitor. He's number 1. He's going to be the competitor, actually. And just taking a look at their website, there's a lot on your face, unfortunately, but they are getting the job done, so I can't really complain. They have drop-down menus, our services, and just different things going on. So they have testimonials and painting tips, so kind of like a blog almost. It's good to have stuff like that sometimes, but time and place. And then they have interior, exterior, and pressure washing. This is for their links. Now, as you scroll down, videos are good, but not really necessary at all. But as you can see, they're really going through and talking about what it is they're offering, and that's very important. You want people to scroll, see, read, and then click on the call button. But as you can see right over here, Orlando Painting Contractors is a big giant keyword that they have on their website. Painters Contractor in Orlando is another big one. So as you can see, they're putting a lot of buyer intent keywords in their content, which is something that we want. So if I go through all of this, you notice that there's a lot of content. They might not be talking about all of their different things that they offer, but they should. So I'm going to give them a couple of points off for that. But other than that, they do have a solid website, as well as also service locations. Let's look at the back end, see what's going on. So right over here, we are going to take a look at if it loads very well, but a UR and a DR rating. So a UR rating is basically how strong the website is. So for this, we got to wait for it to load. Taking a second. So I'm going to skip over to organic keywords if it allows me to load it very nicely. And we'll see what we can do. Nope, it's taking a quick second over here. Here we go. Okay, so UR rating is basically how strong your website is over here. DR rating is how much Google trusts you. They do have about 1,000 backlinks over here and only 368 return. Now, a backlink is where you have your website linked somewhere else and somebody can click on it, and the referring domain is obviously ones that come back. Now, their DR rating should be much higher, so obviously a lot of their referring domains are not very good. They're from spammy websites like BuzzFeed or Wikipedia instead of being from strong backlinks. Now, they do have 1,100 keywords, and 615 people returning to their website through that. Let's find out what they are. So as you can see, all of these are very strong buyer intent keywords. The first 5 are volumed at over 300 searches per month for Orlando house painters, house painting Orlando, just variations of the same exact word, but they're getting the volume. Now, on top of that, they're also getting the traffic. Why are they getting the traffic? They're in positions 2 and 3 to get it. So they're doing extremely well on getting high buyer, not high, yeah, high buyer intent keywords with high volume in the proper area, well, for the position they're in, and they're getting a decent amount of traffic, typically well over 10%, or, at 10%. So how can this help you guys out, Noel and Danielle? Honestly, all we really got to do is we got to get some excellent referring domains. I would just take them for the other guy, find out the really good ones he's using, put them on your own website yourself so you start ranking higher. Get yourself content on your homepage because there really isn't that much on there. Talk about what it is you have. Make sure you have over 2,000 words on there, or at least 1,500 if you're going to be conservative. Get those buyer intent keywords in there as well, and then you're done. Those 3 steps, and you will start taking over the market in your area. Now, that's all I got. If you have any questions, do me a favor and go ahead and shoot me a call, and I'll be more than happy to discuss it. If you have any feedback, of course, I would definitely love to know. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.